Welcome to this in-depth guide on diagnosing hybrid system faults, focusing on specific trouble codes and essential skin tool data. Hybrid vehicles integrate both an internal combustion engine and an electric motor, creating a complex system that requires specialized diagnostic approaches. Understanding common trouble codes and how to interpret skin tool information is crucial for efficient and accurate repairs. Our journey begins with the fundamental diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, that signal issues within the hybrid system. These codes are generated by the vehicle's onboard diagnostics, or OBD-II, system and provide a starting point for troubleshooting. Familiarizing yourself with the common P, B, C, and U codes related to hybrid components will save considerable time. Let's delve into some specific DTCs. For instance, codes related to the hybrid battery pack, such as P0A80 or P0A81, often indicate issues with battery condition, cell voltage, or temperature. These codes are critical as the hybrid battery is the heart of the electric drive system. Other significant codes include those associated with the hybrid powertrain control module, like P0A93, which can point to problems with the hybrid system coolant circuit. Maintaining proper coolant levels and flow is vital for the longevity and performance of the hybrid components. We also see codes related to the electric motor/generator, such as P0A6A through P0A7F, which can indicate issues with motor winding temperature, voltage, or current. These codes require careful investigation to pinpoint the exact failure within the motor assembly. Now let's transition to the indispensable role of the skin tool. A comprehensive skin tool is not just for reading codes, it's your window into the real-time operational data of the hybrid system. This live data is invaluable for understanding how components are performing under various conditions. When diagnosing, it's essential to access the hybrid-specific data streams. Look for parameters like battery state of charge, battery voltage, battery temperature, and individual cell voltages if your tool supports it. These readings can reveal subtle issues before they trigger a DTC. Pay close attention to the motor/generator data. Observing parameters such as motor speed, torque output, inverter voltage, and current can help identify performance anomalies. Inconsistencies here might correlate with drivability complaints or DTCs. Engine-related data is also crucial, even in a hybrid. Monitoring engine RPM, fuel trims, and O2 sensor readings can help determine if the internal combustion engine is operating correctly and contributing efficiently to the hybrid system's overall performance. Furthermore, skin tools allow you to view and clear DTCs. This is a fundamental step in the diagnostic process. After identifying a potential cause and performing a repair, clearing the codes and performing a test drive is necessary to confirm the issue is resolved. Activating system components through the skin tool is another powerful diagnostic technique. Many advanced skin tools allow you to command specific components, like the electric motor or AC compressor, to operate. This can help isolate faulty parts by testing them directly. When analyzing data, look for trends and compare readings under different operating conditions. For example, observe how battery voltage behaves during acceleration versus deceleration. Any abnormal drops or spikes can be indicative of a problem. Understanding the interplay between the internal combustion engine and the electric motor is key. A skin tool can show you when the vehicle is running on electric power alone, when the engine is charging the battery, and when both are providing propulsion. Deviations from expected behavior signal a fault. Interpreting freeze frame data is also critical. When a DTC is set, the skin tool captures a snapshot of sensor readings and system conditions at that precise moment. This freeze frame provides invaluable context for understanding the circumstances under which the fault occurred. Finally, always consult your vehicle's specific service manual. While generic DTCs and skin tool data are useful, manufacturer-specific information provides the most accurate diagnostic procedures and expected values for your particular hybrid model. This combined approach of understanding DTCs, utilizing skin tool data, and referencing service information will empower you to effectively diagnose and repair hybrid system faults.